Your hiccups have taken over and you want them gone. Try these classic home remedies. No spell books or snake oil required. Chug a glass of cold water. It might shock your diaphragm back into chill mode. Hold your breath. Holding your breath increases CO2, which might reset your breathing reflex. Swallow a spoonful of sugar or honey. It stimulates the vagus nerve. Suck on a lemon. If you can handle the sour face, this one's a zinger. Drink water upside down. It looks ridiculous, but hey, sometimes ridiculous works. Try one, try all, just maybe don't do them in public unless you're cool with becoming someone's TikTok content. Now, if your hiccups last longer than 48 hours,